Hello and welcome to my Forex DNA. Today is Sunday, April the 4th. It is approximately 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. The markets for Sunday have opened, and today I'm going to create several videos, one for each currency pair. So let's get started first with the Euro USD. There are certain interesting things occurring in the marketplace. As you can see, the euro has been on a downtrend, and then there was a minor breakout here out of this down channel, and the prices went back within the channel, and then they've again come back up. Now, what does this all mean to us in terms of trading? The markets over here from this point onwards had been pretty much flat for quite some time, as you can see. So this was pretty much February through March had been just ranging sideways. Very difficult to trade that market. It was indeed very difficult for me as well, and did not really make money in these 2 months. However, the markets are starting to break out. Now, what does this mean for the Euro USD? Overall, on the weekly charts, as you can see, there is enough room on the downside for the euro to continue. I've drawn the trend lines this way and over here, and you can see that there is kind of a pennant or a wedge occurring, and it's a flag formation, you can call it, and it's a downward flag formation. Now, given that there is enough room on the downside, that does not necessarily mean the weekly time frame is too large of a time frame to really trade effectively. But the point I'm making is overall in the larger time frame there is room on the downside. Could there be minor retracements that occur? Yes, definitely so. Now let's go back to our daily charts on the Euro USD. For the last 2, 3, 4 days, the markets have been pretty indecisive, going up one day, going down the next day. There were 2 rising days, and then there is a falling day, and again right now the candles are showing an upward tick. Now, how does one trade this? In order to get a better feel, let's go to the hourly charts. On the hourly charts, you can see that 1.3470 would be somewhere in this range right here, just below this particular candle. So right there, 1.3470. On the flip side, I would place, as I place the trade going short, where would I place my stop? It's too early in the game to tell me where I would place the stop because I haven't really seen a reversal occurring on this up movement as yet. If the price goes above this point, then it's telling me that there is going to be an up day occurring Monday. It's still too early. I would rather wait. If I had to place a short trade, I'd go ahead and place the short trade at 1.3470. But I would place the stop somewhere in the 1.3540 range, right around this price point. Now, if I place this as an entry order, as a short entry order, I'd be safe at the moment because the price is definitely way above that. So if the markets were to continue in the upward direction, my trade would never get executed and I'd be safe. And in the morning, I'd cancel my trade. However, if the prices were to reverse, then I would, and if the short trade got executed, I stand a good chance of actually profiting from the trade, and my stop, I think, would be far enough up in the price points. It all depends on where the reversal will occur on the hourly charts before it executes my short trade, if I do end up placing the short trade over here. So if the price point were to reverse somewhere in this range, and I've already placed my entry order at 1.3470, and later during the day, as the price reverses and goes down, then I would move my stop. If it were over here somewhere, I'd move my stop from 1.3540 to slightly above wherever the reversal has occurred. So Tentatively, initially, if I were to place a short trade, I will use 1.3540 as my stop. I would place my short at 1.3470, and I'll place the trade there, and I'll put it on the website for you to follow. Hello and welcome to my Forex DNA. Today is Tuesday, April the 6th, and I wanted to give you an update on our trades. Our euro closed for the profit of the full 100 pips, and currently we are in the plus by approximately 50 pips on the Swiss franc as well. Now, we have two trades tonight, and before I get there, let me do a recap of how the candles moved. It was interesting. We were on Sunday night when I created the video. We were somewhere in this area, and it was more like somewhere here in this range, and I had said that we should go short somewhere in this range. The candles were going up. You can see a head and shoulders pattern forming, and so we were on the uptrend when we had placed the short trade here. It did go down. Our order got executed. We were in the negative the entire pretty much Monday, and then it went down and we got our full profits captured. So that was a pretty good trade. It turned out to be the way we anticipated, and that was pretty good. On the Swiss franc, we are similarly in the plus at the moment, and we'll go to the chart in a moment. But we have two trades today.